Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in here with a most excellent product. You definitely want to tune in for this review. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. This is from HELMaudio.com. I got to tell you, these are some of the best audiophile type earbuds. They call them HELM True Wireless Headphones, but they're earbuds really. That I've ever heard out of reviewing, I think about 20 of the different earbuds that have been sent to me. I haven't heard them all, but I've heard some that are 2 to 3 times more expensive than these are, and they aren't quite as good. At least that's my opinion. And I have them all here to test them, so we're able to test them as it is. These are amazing. There is an incredible amount of bass. One of the biggest problems you hear with earbuds is they always claim to have bass, but they don't have any bass. And most people don't seem to know what that is. Anyway, these have exceptional bass, exceptional mid-range, a great, nice, clear, high-end, and I think you'll just love them. And they're $99, which just blows my mind. Such an incredible deal, I gotta tell you, for the sound quality you're gonna have here. Like I say, I got some that you can pay a whole lot more money for, and they aren't gonna sound even close to as good as these babies do. So it's pretty interesting. On their website, they claim to have the deepest bass in the market. I think that's true, at least from what I've seen and reviewed so far. It's got a secure, comfortable fit for an active lifestyle with incredible noise isolation, rain, sweat, mud-approved with IPX4 water resistance, 15-hour extended battery life with a pocket-friendly charging case. I wish the charging case wasn't so big and bulky, but hey, it works. I usually just take the little earbuds with me when I'm on the go. A built-in mic and small buttons for making calls and activating your favorite voice assistants. It's pretty good on calls. It picks up a lot of noise on calls. In fact, sometimes too much from the people I called, but I don't use these to really do calls much. I mostly use them for listening to music, and I don't think most people call anyway, so there you go. The Bluetooth range on this is crazy. 4.1 version Bluetooth. 80 plus feet. I was able to walk all over my house, downstairs, out in the garage, wearing these, even separated by walls. The Bluetooth came through. I have a lot more expensive of these earbuds that you can't do that with. You can't get more than 5 or 6 feet away, and the Bluetooth starts going bad and lagging out. It is pretty incredible. Frequency response, this is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. And the standby time is 100 hours. Playtime is 3 to 3.5 hours. Playtime with the charging case, 15 hours. Charging time, 1.5 hours with a dynamic driver in it. It's got a microphone, smart button control, and it's waterproof IPX4. I highly recommend these. You can get them in 2 different colors, either black or white, evidently, so you can check those out and find ones to do. They look really good, and I got to tell you, the sound is incredible and perfectly designed. I'm just blown away. Maybe they shouldn't even be selling this cheap, really, when it comes down to it. I'm not even kidding you. The thing will tell itself when it wants to pair. It's got a patent-pending Helix antenna that offers extended range. It does just an incredible job on the range. I mean, I was just blown away. I normally can't walk away from my phone, and I did it by accident and went, these are still playing? Anyway, go to HELMaudio.com. Check out the HELM True Wireless Headphones. Don't be misled by the price. They are an incredible value and deal, and you're going to love me for the quality of the sound that they take and do. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.